Okay, welcome back. In this section, we're going to talk about thinking like a professional. And what we're going to do here is go over some of the qualities that are common among all successful professional traders. Now remember, one of the surest ways to be successful is to model what other successful people do. So the goal here is not to become little clones of each other and to somehow mimic other traders exactly. But if you can find common things that a professional thinks about or a way that they look at the market, then what we have is a trading principle. Remember, this course is not about a mechanical system. It's not about being religious about ideas. It's about understanding and using trading principles that are absolutely timeless. And these principles are exactly that. These are timeless principles that if you use them to help you form your thinking, you're going to find your trading is transformed. Now, the first thing that all professional traders realize is that anything can and will happen. That's why we use stops. That's why we leave part of our position on, because we want to take advantage of the market's movement. We don't want to let anything get by us, either to a negative or positive effect. Professionals also realize that no two trades are alike, and every single tick, in fact, every trade that goes across your screen, remember we talked about the time and sales where we can actually see each individual trade. Professional traders realize that every single one of those is unique. None of them are exactly alike. And here's what this means. Even though we may see the same setup time and again, say we've got this pennant pattern forming where the market's moving up and then comes into a trading range, we see this time and again, even though the pattern is the same, the people that are involved in trading are not the same. Remember, we're talking about potentially millions of people here. And we never know what combinations of them are involved in the pattern at any one time. So no two trades are alike. Professional traders also realize that their edge or their system just implies that one event is going to happen over another. In other words, either the market's going to go down before it goes up. Isn't that what we're saying? If we're looking at, say, for example, a flag pattern, aren't we saying that, well, if the market can manage to break above this line, close, and then push up, well, that suggests that the momentum is to the upside. Well, what if the market doesn't do that? What if the market breaks to the downside? Well, who cares? Is the answer. That's not what we're looking for. So our edge is the pattern. Our edge is the way that traders look at the market. Our edge is the momentum in the marketplace. And it simply means that if our edge is there, the pattern, the momentum, everything, then the market is probably going to go down before it goes up. Now, this is a big one. Professional traders understand they do not need to be 100% certain of what's going to happen next to trade and make money. Remember I talked about the biggest mistake that a rookie trader makes is looking for the Holy Grail? Well, this is right up there, probably number 3. Needing to have 100% certainty. And actually, if you think about it, this is the Holy Grail, 100% certainty. This is what rookie traders are desperately looking for, is 100% certainty. Listen, I've seen trading systems that are 85% accurate get beaten out by trading systems that are 37% accurate. Now, that's because the 85%, the 15% that lost over here were more than the 85% that won. But then over here, the 63% that lost were more than the 63% that lost were less than the 37% that won. So again, this doesn't matter. You know, who cares if you're 20%, 10% accurate?